Hi there, my name is Tyler Link and I'm the co-owner of Caesars Concrete. And in this video, I'm going to be answering one of the most common questions that we get about our business, which is how do I get an estimate? In short, our process is super simple. Number one, schedule a call directly to our team's calendar. Number two is send us pictures before your phone call and have a good idea of what you're looking to have done. Number three is to have your phone call with our team, learn about our process, learn about our timeline, and get all of your concrete questions answered. Number four is while on the call, you can decide if we are a good fit for you and your project. And number five, if we are a good fit for you and your project, then schedule an in-person meeting where we're going to tie up any loose ends, go over any final remaining questions, and get the project scheduled from there. At this point, you may be wondering, why do you want me to schedule a phone call though? Why aren't you just coming out for an in-person estimate? And that's a great question. At Caesars Concrete, we do things a little differently to solve some of the industry's biggest problems. And we do the phone call for a couple different reasons. Number one is no more phone tag. We know how getting a hold of some contractors can be extremely difficult, and here we wanted to make that process as easy as possible. Just pick a time that works best for you, schedule a call directly to our team's calendar, and we will give you our undivided attention and be there right when your phone call starts. Number two is faster quotes. We know that as consumers, you probably don't want to wait 2 to 3 weeks just to get pricing on a project that you may or may not even want to do. So for us here, what we want to do is if you can get us pictures of the project, get us measurements, then we can actually get you pricing on the same day that we actually have your phone consultation. And third is we can go deeper. Because our estimate process is more efficient, we can spend more time with you learning about your project, your timeline, and what the actual end goal really is to make sure that this gets done right the first time. Concrete is a literal rock, and so when it's all said and done, we really can't change anything. So to us here, we make sure that everything and all the details of what you want is fully written down, noted, and taken care of so that way your project goes perfectly. Once we have your over the phone consultation, it can really go 3 different ways. Number one is you know right away that Caesars Concrete is a great fit for you and your project, and we schedule an in-person estimate to tie up any loose ends, take official measurements, and get the project scheduled. Number two is you want to take some more time and think about it. Here at Caesars Concrete, we don't use any pressure tactics on our customers, and we want to give you the time and space needed after you talk with us so you can make the right decision for you and your family. And number three is you can tell us that we're not a great fit for your project, and that's totally fine too. The phone call is really just meant for you to learn more about us and for us to learn more about you to see if we're a good fit for each other. And that way we can also speed up the estimate process. And once we do your in-person consultation, we can typically get your estimate sent over within 1 to 3 business days and get your project scheduled from there. We look forward to working with you on your concrete project.